Welcome friends, welcome to Lace Academy's online videos. In this video, I will take you through a real previous examination paper of SSC CGL Tier 1 Mathematics section. SSC CGL 2019 Tier 1 Mathematics module. This was a real paper that was given in March 2020, very recently. I named this as live mock test drill. It actually means I will show you what is the best way of answering questions in SSC CGL real examination. You see the speed with which I will be completing the answers, and you have to practice in such a way that your ability matches with the speed that I am actually taking you through. Whenever the examination of level 1, like tier 1 of SSC or prelims of bank exams are being done, you have to always see that you have to maintain your pace so that you can match the cutoff that is given in that exam. So we will be learning to score fast in the real examination. From the next slide onwards, the questions will come one after other. I will be taking you through each and every question without much explaining to you, because I will be taking this as an examination taker. I will not be acting as a subject expert here. So don't expect explanation for every question. If you have any doubt of how I answered a question, please always get back to us to the WhatsApp number that I provide in the description of the same video. Now let us see the questions one after the other. You can see here a DI has been given. Cars of 5 models ABCDE 2012 to 17. The actual question asked is, in 2013 and 14 together, which type of cars constitute exactly 25%? 13 and 14 together, the total number of cars is 300. 25% of 300 is 75. I can clearly see here D has 75 total. So my answer is D, and go to the next question. Area of a triangle ABC is 44 square centimeter. D is the midpoint of one side. E is the midpoint of another side. Area of the triangle formed with BDE. So whenever two sides midpoints are joined, you form a small triangle which is perfectly 1/4 of the bigger triangle. So 44, 1/4 is 11. So go to the next question. Rectangle length is increased by 40% and breadth is decreased by 20%. What happens to the area of the rectangle? 14/8 is 112. So 12% increase will happen. Go to the next question. 5 same DI has been given. Is asking in 2015, which type of cars constitute exactly 20%? 2015 number of cars is 100. 20% is 20, which is exactly for E. We'll go into the next question. A plus B is 45 degrees. 2 into 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B. Both the tans are in the numerators. So I can happily take one angle as 0 degrees, other angle as 45 degrees. And tan A, tan 0 becomes 0. Tan B, tan 45 becomes 1. 2 into 2 becomes 4. So 4 will be our answer. Go to the next question. A train crosses a pole in 12 seconds and a bridge of length 170 meters in 36 seconds. What is the speed of the train? You can see to cover this extra 170 meter, it is taking an extra time of 24 seconds. So distance by time will give you speed in meters per second. You have to convert it into kilometer per hour into, so 5 ones, 5 34s, 6 fours, 6 threes. We know that 4 into 8 point something is 34. 8 point something into 3 should be near to 25. So the answer is 25.5. We'll go into the next question. Out of 6 numbers, the sum of the first 5 numbers is 7 times the 6th number. Their average is given, 6th number is asked. Let us say the 6th number is F. So first 5 numbers, the sum is 7 times of F plus 6th number divided by 6 should be their average. So we can see 8F is equal to 136 into 6. 8 into 17 is 136. So F is equal to 17 sixes. 17 sixes is 102. So we'll go into the next question. Base radius of 2 cylinders are in the ratio 3:4. Heights are in the ratio 4:9, ratio of their volumes. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So ratios will be r square h by r square h. So r square ratio 9/16 into h ratio 4/9. So your answer should be 1:4. Go to the next question. Radius of a circular garden is given. Distance covered in running 8 rounds around it. 8 rounds is 8 times of circumference. So 8 into 2 pi r. 2 pi r. You know this is 6 times. 8 into 22 is 176 into 2 sixes is 12. So 176 into 12 should be near to 2000, and that too ending with 2. So only one option is possible here. Go to the next one. Ratio of number of boys in a school of 640 students is 5:3. 5:3, 8 parts. So boys are 400, girls are 240. 30 more girls are added, so girls become 270. How many boys should be added so that ratio of boys to girl become 14:9? So this 270 is now becoming 9. That means each part is 30. So 14 parts should become 14, 30 is 420. So 20 extra boys are needed. That's what the question is asking us. Let's see the next question. So the DA has been given. Percentage increase in total cars in 2016 from 2012. 2012 to 2016. 120 increase to 180, 60 increase. 60 is half of 120, which is 50%. Let's see the next question. X power 2a equal to y power 2b equals z power 2c, x square equal to yz. So whenever this type of questions are given, verify if we can take x equal to y equal to z. Yes, we can take that because there is no exception for it. And also we can take a equal to b equal to c because he's not saying that they are not equal. So when I take a equal to b equal to c, the expression which is in all a, b, b, c, this becomes a square plus a square plus a square by a square, which is 3. So obviously 3 will be our answer. Go to the next question. Now he's saying Mn is parallel to BC. Okay. Mn and BC are parallel. This quadrilateral area is 130. An is to NC is 4:5. So 4:9 will be the corresponding side ratio. Areas will be in the ratio of 16:81. So this small triangle is 16 and this quadrilateral is 65. This 65 units is given equal to 130. So each unit is 2. So here 16 units are there. So 16 to 32 will be the area of the triangle. Now let's see the next question. A lies in the first quadrant, tan A equal to 5/6. So tan A equal to 5/6. Here you can see the value of what is asked. Everywhere you can have sine and cos. So divide numerator and denominator by cos. Then I become 8. I'll get 8 tan, which is 40/6, minus 4 by cos divided by cos is this 2 tan A. 2 tan A is 10/6. So this becomes 40 minus 24, 16. 6 plus 10, 16. 16/16, your answer becomes 1. Now let's move into the next question. Shopkeeper marks the price of the article such that after allowing 28% of discount, he is getting a gain of 12%. Market price is given 224. So on 224, you are actually giving a discount of 28%. He is giving 12% gain on cost price. He is asking cost price. So you can see 112 2s is 224. So cost price is 72 2s, which is 144 here. Go to the next question. X equal to 4 cos A and y equal to 4 sin A. Then the value of x square plus y square. X square plus y square, you can see here when you square this x, you will get 16 cos square, 25 sin square with 40 cos A sin A. And y square, you will have minus 40 cos A sin A get cancelled. 16 cos square A, 16 sin square A, 16. 25 sin square A, 25 cos square A, 25. So these are the only values that will be added. 16 plus 25 is 41. Don't write all the steps on paper. If you write all the steps on paper, each step consumes 10 to 20 seconds. Unnecessary time waste. Next one. X, Y, Z are integers. Okay, he has given 3 equations. First of all, let us subtract one equation from the other. I can get Z minus X equal to 5 and Z plus X equal to 17. So this gives you Z equal to 11. If Z is 11, X is 6. If X is 6, Y is 2. So X square 36 by YZ 22. 36 by 22 becomes 18/11. Go to the next one. X minus Y is 4, XY is 45. Difference is 4, product is 45. 9 and 5 are the values. Na? So he's asking 9 cube minus 5 cube. 729 minus 125, 604. Next one. DI. Same DI is given. Percentage decrease in the production of which type of car in 2017 with respect to 2016 maximum. highest percentage decrease should happen. Here 36 to 12 decrease is happening. So 24 out of 36, 2 by 3 decrease, which is 66%, 66.66 actually. Here 4 decrease, this is very small decrease. Here 16 is decreased, 16 out of 38 is less than 50. 22 out of 50, 22 out of 50 is 44. So this is the highest decrease, and this is happening for company A. So highest decrease percentage is in company A. See the next one. Person sells an article 10% below cost price. If he had sold it for 332 rupees more, he would have made a profit of 20%. So 332 rupees extra is taking you from 10% below to 20% above. That is total 30% increase happened. Now he's asking what is the original selling price. You are selling at 10% below cost price. So you're selling at 90% cost price. So if 30% is equal to 332, 90% equal to what? Which is 3 times of 332, which is 996. Go to the next one. Plus exchanged with minus into exchanged with divided by what's the value. So I'm now writing the expression 42 plus 12 divided by 3 minus 8 into 2 minus 15 divided by 8 divided by 2 plus 4 minus 9 into 3. 12 by 3 is 4. 8 2 is 16. Minus 16 minus 15 is minus 31. 42 plus 4, 46 minus 31 is 15 in the numerator by 8 by 2 is 4. 9 into 3 is 27. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 27 is minus 19. So minus 15 by 19 is what we are getting here. Now let's see the next question. The number given is completely divisible by 8. Completely divisible by 8 means last 3-digit combination should be divided by 8. Then what is the least possible value that can come in X? We luckily know 512 is divisible by 8 because 8 cube is 512. So 512 minus 8 also should be divisible by 8. So 504 should be a number divided by 8. So X can occupy or take 0 value, which is the least possible one. Let's see the next question. 4300 is becoming 4644 in 2 years. So you can see 344 rupees interest in 2 years means 172 rupees interest in 1 year. 43 4 is 172. So 4% interest is coming up. Now he's asking which principal amount becomes 10,000 something in 5 years at 4%. 5 years at 4% is 20%. So after 20% increase, the value is becoming 10,000. So the value should be near to 8,000. So this will be the best value possible because 8,400, 20% will be 1684, 1600. So obviously 10,100 will be your total amount. See the next question. A, B, C are 3 points on a circle such that chord AB, let us say this is chord AB, and this is the center of the circle. AB is subtending an angle 110 degrees, and let's say this is a chord AC. AC is subtending an angle 130 degrees. What is the angle of BAC? This angle. Now this total angle at the circle is 360. 110, 130, 240 are gone. So this angle should be 120. And whatever angle is formed by 2 points BC at the center should be double of this angle at the circumference. So this should be half of 120. Half of 120 is 60. Go to the next question. Time and work question is being given. A, B, C can do works in 24, 15, 12. B and C start the work and worked only for 3 days. Then what is the number of days A alone can do the work? So let us say A takes X days to do the work with 24 days efficiency. B worked only 3 days out of 15, so he completes 1/5 of the work. C worked for 3 days out of 2, so he completes 1/4 of the work. All of them together complete one work. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 is 9 by 20. Goes that side become 11 by 20. So X is equal to 11 by 20 into 24. Straightforwardly, which is nothing but 132 by 10. 132 by 10 is 13.2. And we'll see we'll move into the next module. So this is how You need to finish off easy questions in easy way. If you keep taking each question unnecessarily 1 minute of time, it means that you are not leaving time for some questions suddenly which can come tougher or longer in duration. So please remember, whenever an easy question is given, do not think of anything, straight away answer it easily. That's why I gave a statement here. Getting the answer alone is not sufficient. Getting it in time is the most important criterion to crack the cutoff. If the paper is very easy, sometimes the cutoff may go up to 80 plus or 85 plus also out of 100. So if you do 75 questions correctly, you may be doing a good attempt, but it is not enough. Always remember, a person who hits a century may not be a man of the match because somebody might have already hit 150 plus. So if you have to be a man of the match, then you have to score beyond the person who already scored better than you. So I always tell to my students, good scores are not always enough because there may be a better score. So when a paper is very easy, it is your duty to run fast without unnecessarily wasting time. And out of quant reasoning in English in SSC, CGL or CSL, out of 75 questions, you have to target 67 to 70 questions guaranteedly. If you get 67 to 70 questions out of 75 in those three modules, then even if you are getting only 10 plus or 12 plus in your general awareness, that means you are definitely going into the next section or next level of tier 2. Always remember this, practice well, and whenever you need any support in preparing for any examination like banking or SSC, always get back to us through WhatsApp. We'll be guiding you through our online courses where I'll be teaching you live on quant, reasoning, pure math and English sections, and you can crack your examinations. Thank you. All the best.